Woohoo!
Hi, Mama.
Was that easier?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you driving, Tam?
Driving land.
Is it a car or is it a train?
Car.
It's a car. He's driving in a car.
It's a car. Look. It's a car.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what's this? See. Oh, see. Oh, see. Oh, Mama, parking. Oh, see.
Woo! You made it to Mama.
It can pick up.
Hmm?
It pick up.
You want Mama to pick him up or are you going to turn around and go again? Because he likes going.
This is a touch.
Yeah.